Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about logic functions, and here today we concentrate on OR and AND. So we have studied about if function. With if we can just have one logic, but here with OR and AND we can have up to 255 logics. So the difference between OR and AND is with OR, whenever one logic meet the condition, the result will be true. But with AND, the entire logics should meet the certain condition. After that, the result will be true. For example, I'm going to go first with OR, equal sign, or tab, and here the first logic. If the working hour equal to 8, comma, the next. If working hour equal to 9, comma, if working hour equal to 10, comma. The last logic, if the person is from Texas, equal to this one. I should lock it, close the bracket, and enter. You can see here we have true because it's 8. It meet one condition, and here it's because the person is from Texas, it's true. It's false because the person is from New York City, and it's 6. And here it's false because the person is from New York, and it's 11. It doesn't meet any conditions. So the next one, whenever we use the AND function, all of the logics should meet the condition. After that, the result will be true. Otherwise, it's false. Okay. Equal sign, and the first logic, if the working days equal to 5, comma, if the person is committed, if it's true, equal to true, comma, the next logic, if the working hour is equal to 8. So we have 3 logics here, and enter. You can see here we have just one true here because it meets 3 conditions, 3 logics. The working day is 5, the employee's commitment, and working hours 8. So I want to use conditional formatting to highlight the truth. I select this and I come to conditional formatting, and here equal to true. Yep. And here I want to apply also conditional formatting. I just change the color. Okay. And that's it for today. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.